everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken recipe. The chicken I'm going to make, that's going to be a cashew chicken. 1 pound chicken breast is boneless, skinless. Half cup cashews, 1 cup water, 1 yellow onion, 1 tomato, 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger and 1 green chili. Homemade dahi. I have a poster video on my channel. Please check it out. Spices from masala dabba and Kashmiri mirch. For tadka, olive oil. These are the cashews I'm going to use. I'm going to put it into my ultimate chopper. I'm going to make it smooth gravy. Onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, tomatoes. Finely chopped. I'll use my ultimate chopper. We're going to place the cashews inside. Altogether, we're going to use 1 cup water for our gravy. So I use small amount of water. We're going to place it and we're going to make it smooth gravy. As you see, it doesn't take that long. So if we check it, this is how it looks. Get a mixing bowl and first we're going to bring dahi. This is homemade dahi and you can watch a video on my channel. Kashmiri mirch, half teaspoon. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring the cashew paste. Mix it well again. And this is going to be our marination. Add chicken. With the help of fork, mix it well. Add a half teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and we're going to let it sit on a countertop for half an hour. The weather is too hot, please put it in the fridge. Get a fry pan and start gas and keep gas on medium. 1 teaspoon olive oil. The chicken has been marinated for half an hour. We're going to bring it into the pan. Keep gas on high. Now keep it moving and on high gas we're going to cook it until the chicken is nicely cooked. Cooking on high gas for 2 minutes. As we see on the side, it start to burn up. So now we're going to bring the gas on medium. We're going to cook it until the chicken is nicely cooked. On medium gas cooking for last 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. We can cut through, we're going to cook couple more minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Altogether, we cook chicken for 12 minutes. Bring the gas to simmer. This is looking good. I'm going to move the fry pan to the back burner and we're going to start that burner. So keep it on simmer and cover with the lid. And now we're going to get another part. And we're going to turn the gas high. 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, bring cumin, jeera, 1 teaspoon. Add ginger, garlic, green chili. Mix it. Cook until the garlicky flavor is gone. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. And I'm going to turn the pan on. Keep it moving and we're going to saute really well. The onion is nicely translucent. Bring the gas to medium. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. On the other side, the chicken is nicely cooked. So this is how the chicken looks. Really nice smooth gravy. Cooking for 2 minutes on medium gas. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. The tomatoes are nicely mellowed down. Keep moving and keep mashing. All the tomatoes are nicely mashed. Add spices. Half teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri mirch. Mix all the spices and we're going to cook along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices for half minute, add 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, Bring the gas on high and cover with the lid, and we're going to bring it to boil. It started to boil. Bring the gas to simmer. Open the lid. Mix it. Now you can take this gravy and make it smooth paste, just like the way we did it, the cashew paste. I'm going to use a hand blender, and I'm going to keep it on the side, and we're going to blend it smoothly like this. The whole reason I'm doing it, so it won't spray out. As you see, it does not take that long. It's a nicely smooth gravy. We're going to transport the chicken inside the gravy. So we're going to turn off the gas, and we're going to transport the chicken into this pot. So make sure that we scoop out all the masala. This is all cashew masala. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on a simmer. I will open it. Mix it. Our delicious cashew chicken is all ready. And now the last ingredient, fresh cilantro, dhania. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karai ready, and I'm going to dish out. Look at delicious cashew chicken. This will be a perfect gravy. 1 cup water. Let me share with you. We will start the burner and get the karai. 1 teaspoon desi ghee. Desi ghee brings the taste to our dish. If you're health conscious, you can skip this part. But this will bring the taste to our dish. As the desi ghee heat up, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera and cashews. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri mirch. Mix it. Turn off the gas. Add cilantro, dhania. This is a perfect. I get my karai. This will be the cashews chicken. Very rich, creamy cashew chicken is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even tortilla. Also eat it with the rice flour. This is very good dish. Please try it and you're going to like it. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. I have a rice plof you serve with the cashew chicken. This is the perfect with plain rice plof. This is so delicious, so rich, creamy. Please try it and you're going to like it.